You will learn how to use filters on Instagram. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to use filters on Instagram for your Instagram stories, you have to follow this video. But before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open Instagram application. Now wait for it to load. Now it's loaded. Now I will go to my story section by swiping right side to the page. So I have opened my story section. Now if you can see that on the bottom side you can see few circle icons which are predefined filters downloaded or saved on my Instagram story section. So I can switch to any filter and I can use it for my Insta story. So this is the simple process. You can use any one of that, and you can also select more filters on going to your explore icon and go to browse effects by swiping most right side to the page. So you will click on this magnifying glass icon and now you can select any of the trending or any of the favorite filters according to your desire or according to your choice. So this is the simple process of using Instagram filters for your Instagram stories. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. And if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.